So it's Gana's Reaper, and today I'm going to be making a video. So this is going to be my redemption video because yesterday I tried to make a smoothie and it didn't go very good. So you guys can go back to yesterday's video and see what it turned into. It didn't turn into a smoothie. It didn't turn into a milkshake. Mom said it turned into like some type of heavy cream. So today we're going to be trying to make a smoothie. So we already added the strawberries. We have all the ingredients in the strawberries, the milk, the ice cream. I'm gonna use a fork because I don't think we have any spoons. So, wow, we do not have a lot of this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go take another thing of ice cream, and we'll just put everything else. So let's add in our strawberries. I'm gonna add a couple. Now, also in yesterday's video, the blender scared me, so hopefully I do a little bit better with the blender not scaring me in this video, because you should see the way Emily reacted to the blender, because apparently babies are afraid of blenders, so sounded like some type of monster. So I think this ice cream is soft enough. Let's add the ice cream. Ice cream. Look. I have another ice cream, strawberry ice cream, sitting out, and we're gonna use that as one as well. Sorry for the loudness in the background. My dad's watching Star Wars right now. So, and then my brothers are being my brothers. So, yeah. I have a little bit of chocolate in there.
We have 20 units ready now.
Alright, let's keep on trying. Let's go. Come on, get in there. Alright. No, don't fall off. You don't in the video. Let me put this off for a second. Put it back in. Get in there. Come on. Okay. Some more. Because we gotta keep on adding stuff. Because a second thing ice cream is probably like a while to melt because it's been in the fridge for a long time. I'm gonna use all of them. All the flavors. So let's get them all in there. Let's get them all in there.
You said you like chocolate and sandwich. I see that over video.
Now, it's gonna be I'm almost scared.
Wait, I don't use all that.
Time to add the milk. Milky, 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 choky.
What?
Is this enough? Alright, is it plugged in? Everything's plugged in. Alright, milkshake. 2, 1. Oh shoot, good thing it's plugged. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Up! How it's gonna taste? Okay. I think this might just be successful. I hope it tastes good. Now, I'm scared. Oh no.
It looks disgusting again. Don't do all of it.
What's it low for?
Because it doesn't look good. It looks chunky.
Yeah. Let's see.
I wanted it to be like McDonald's.
tastes like oatmeal. Oh, that's mine. Oh, yeah. Ooh,
Somebody, can somebody give me a straw? Taste test time. It's actually not bad. It's not as I expected it, but
it's really good.
Not bad. Well, thank you for watching this other episode of Cooking with Brandon. You know, this is kind of disgusting, but it tastes good. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.